How to appeal a banned Facebook account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to appeal a banned Facebook account. If your Facebook account has been suspended or disabled, it means Facebook detected activity that may not follow their community standards. When this happens, your account becomes invisible to others and you can't use it. You will be notified by email and will be sent a message when you try to log in, such as "We suspended your account" or "We disabled your account." If your account is suspended, you have 180 days to appeal. Simply log in to Facebook and you will be prompted to submit an appeal. If you don't appeal within this time frame, or if your appeal is denied, your account will be permanently disabled. In some cases, Facebook may disable an account immediately without suspension, especially for severe violations. Common reasons for suspensions or bans include posting that violates Facebook's community standards, misrepresenting your identity to deceive others or evade enforcement, and contacting people for harassment, advertising, or other prohibited behavior. If your account is permanently disabled, you won't be able to request another review. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.